Watch this. Now, if we have something like this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry? 6. Here, it's 6. So it's going to be hexene. Hexane. What if I do this though? I put a double bond there. Now it's no longer hexane, it's hex E. Where's the functional group closest to? Which side?
The right.
So we number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need a system for naming which carbon the double bond is on. So we're going to call it hex E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we have to say it's on carbon number, is it 2 or 3 that the double bond occurs? Now we always start with the lowest. So it's 2. So we're going to say hex dash 2 dash E. That's hex 2E. Now do you see I've specified where the double bond is? Happy? And what if I put it another double bond here?
Are you going to say comma?
Woo.
Is that what you call it?
It's illegal.
It would become still hexene, but it's going to be hex 2, 4. 2 first, hex dash 2, 4, di dash di E.
Why die?
Because it's got 2 double bonds.
And 2 equals to y, which comes plus 2 plus 2.
2 on carbon number 2 and carbon number 4 is a E. So it's a di-E. Or what if it was this? Let's make it butane, right?
Yes, sir.
But what if it is this? Double bond, triple bond. Which side would I number it from? It doesn't matter, right? It's symmetrical.
Yes, sir.
So let's number it 1, 2, 3, 4. But what if there's a bromine here and a chlorine there, and to make a fourth one, a hydrogen there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay. Woo! How do we name now that thing? I said I'm throwing you in on the deep end, right?
Oh my chloride.
Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that, you understand it. Do we still number it from 1, 2, 3, 4? I would reverse it because it's got all that functional stuff on the first one, right? Now, so let's call this carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, now carbon number 4, because we've got all that busyness going on carbon number 1. And we always start from the lowest carbon. Who would like to now name it? Now, all the halogens become bromo, chloro, fluoro, iodo. Let's try and number it in alphabetical order. But what is its main surname? Its homologous series. It is an alkyne. What's its specific alkyne? 1, 2, 3. Its surname is going to be
Butanol.
What number of carbon? 2 dash 2 dash I. Now that covers the middle. Do you see why it's but 2 iron? Because the iron bond, which is its functional group, is on carbon number, the lowest one, 2. Tequila. Happy with that? But we still got to put all that in front. So let's put it in front. It's going to be 1 dash bromo dash 1 dash chlorobutene.
So please tell me you're not gonna repetition on this. Please tell me.
Sometimes. But do you understand this? Take it. Does this make sense? Are you liking it? I know it's a bit strange. Do you see why it's 1 bromo, still dash 1 chloro, because it's on carbon 1. You put all the junk that's attached to it first. Then all the hydrogens that make it an ethyl leave off, or butyl. Then it's chloro, but, 2 ion. Does that make sense how we name it? Who has a question? Any question? Now you see the fun thing is we make up compounds, like I'm just making up compounds, and then we try and name them. And if we get stuck, well, if it's got the legitimate amount of bonds, like every oxygen's got 2, every carbon's got 4, every hydrogen's got 1, it exists possibly, and we must name it. And that's the fun part. It's like naming a baby. Okay, what I want you to do is to try with that set of rules to name everything on that sheet as well. You've numbered the carbons, now name them. Name everything that you can name on that sheet. I'll come and help you.